Just because there is ceasefire, that doesn't mean that the genocide is over. Because Israel's genocide against Palestinians in Gaza is not solely predicated on killings and causing injuries, although killings have continued, but the conditions of life that Israel continues to impose on Palestinians in Gaza, which caused and which were part of its genocide, are continuing. Israel is continuing to inflict inhumane conditions of life in Palestinians, including the mass displacement, including denying medical aid, including denying medical evacuations out of Gaza into the occupied West Bank, and continuing to make so much of Gaza uninhabitable. My hope for 2026 is that our friends in El Khair, a beautiful village in South Hebron Hills, who continue to endure unimaginable horrors at the hands of state-backed Israeli settlers, are granted some reprieve, that they don't have to worry about being shot or being denied access to their land. My hope for 2026 is for Palestinian healthcare worker and doctor Hussam Abu Safiya, who continues to be detained unlawfully by Israeli authorities without charges or trial, to be released, for all those detained arbitrarily to be released. My hope for 2026 is that we finally start seeing some semblance of accountability and justice for the myriad of human rights violations, crimes that have been committed, that at least we have learned something from the past 2 years.